Have you ever put off buying term insurance because you thought it was unnecessary or believed you were too young to need it? These misconceptions prevent countless Indians from taking a crucial step toward protecting their family's future. But what if I told you that these beliefs are based on myths? Myths that could leave your loved ones financially vulnerable when they need support the most. Hi, I'm Jiten Modi, your personal finance strategist. Over the past 20 years, I've worked with families from all walks of life. I've seen the peace of mind that term insurance brings. But I've also seen the devastating consequences of believing in myths that stop people from making this vital decision. Today, we'll debunk the most common myths about term insurance, uncover the facts, and show you why this isn't just another financial product. It's the foundation of your family's financial security. Let me start with a story that still weighs on my heart. Priya, a young mother of two, came to my office after losing her husband in an accident. He was just 38. "We thought we were too young for term insurance," she said. "Everyone told us to invest instead." Without term insurance, Priya was left struggling to maintain their lifestyle and secure her children's future. This story is a painful reminder of the myth that you can wait until later to buy term insurance. The truth is, buying term insurance when you're young is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Not only are premiums significantly lower, but you also ensure coverage while you're healthy. Consider Rajesh, who bought Rs 1 crore of coverage at 35 for Rs 12,000 a year. Compare that to Suresh, who waited until he was 45. His premium is 35,000 annually, almost 3 times more for the same protection. Waiting doesn't just cost you money. It can also mean losing the opportunity altogether if health issues arise. Another myth I encounter frequently is the belief that existing investments or property are enough to secure your family's future. Let's break this down with real numbers. Ramesh assumed his Rs 50 lakhs in investments would be sufficient. But when we calculated his family's actual needs, Rs 2 crores for 20 years of expenses, Rs 50 lakhs for his children's education, and Rs 30 lakhs in outstanding loans, it totaled Rs 2.8 crores. His investments wouldn't even last 2 years. Worse, relying on assets means forcing a grieving family to liquidate property or wait for investments to mature, often at a financial loss. Then, there's the dangerous assumption that employer-provided insurance is enough. Group insurance from your employer might seem convenient, but it usually offers minimal coverage, 1 or 2 times your annual salary at best. Worse, it vanishes the moment you leave the job. Amit learned this the hard way when he lost his job during the pandemic. And with it, his family's only form of insurance. Employer coverage is like renting security. It disappears just when you might need it most. One of the most frustrating myths I hear is, term insurance is a waste of money if I live long. Let me ask you this. Would you call a fire extinguisher a waste of money if you never had a fire? Term insurance isn't an investment. It's a safety net. Rohit, a client of mine, initially hesitated to spend Rs 15,000 annually on term insurance. I asked him, "You're okay paying Rs 50,000 annually for medical insurance you never claim. So why not term insurance? If your policy doesn't pay out, it means you've lived a long, healthy life, and isn't that something to celebrate?" Another myth that often leads to regret is, "I'll buy it later when I can afford more." Sarah believed this until we calculated the cost of waiting. At 30, her premium for Rs 1 crore coverage was Rs 10,000 annually. By 40, it would have jumped to Rs 25,000. Over 30 years, that's an additional Rs 4.5 lakhs she would have paid. All because she waited. And let's not forget the misconception that term insurance is only for the primary breadwinner. In today's world, most households rely on dual incomes. Losing either partner's contribution can destabilize a family's financial security. Ensuring both partners ensures that your family's financial future isn't tied to just one income. Finally, there's the belief that term insurance is too complicated to understand. While the options can seem overwhelming, the basics are simple. Prioritize sufficient coverage. Choose a plan you can afford. And select a reliable insurer with a strong claim settlement ratio. With the right guidance, it's a straightforward process that can bring lasting peace of mind. Term insurance isn't about immediate returns or investment gains. It's about ensuring that your family's dreams and financial stability remain intact, no matter what happens. It's not just a policy. It's a promise that life's uncertainties won't derail your family's future. Now, think about the alternative. Without term insurance, your family could face mounting debts, compromised dreams, and financial instability during their most vulnerable moments. Every day you delay is another day your loved ones remain unprotected from life's uncertainties. Through the link in the description below, you can book a free clarity session with me. Together, we'll analyze your family's protection needs, bust any remaining myths, and find the perfect term insurance plan to secure their future. Let's take this important step today to ensure your loved ones are safeguarded, no matter what the future holds.